Now I am trying to use a different setup for receiving SSTV images from space station. This is the antenna. You can see it is a magnetic mount antenna, quarter wave magnetic mount antenna. It has been kept on the box of my linear power supply for the VHF UHF radio IC2730. So this is the linear power supply of IC2730 radio. I have kept the mobile phone with Robo36 app open over there, and the current frequency seen is the Calicut repeater. I am just testing it out. You can see that the Calicut repeater can be accessed using this simple setup, just because it is hardly 3 or 4 kilometers from this location. QRZ on frequency, Victor Uniform 2 Julie Roscoe calling and listening. I am not able to get access to Vadagara repeater, which is about 40 kilometers from here. This is Thiru repeater. I am also not able to get access to Thiru repeater about 30 kilometers from here. Now I will wait for the space station and see what happens. The space station pass is at 4:33 p.m. Now it's already 4:36. It should already be there on the horizon. Maybe it is nearing the point of closest approach. I am just waiting to see whether it will open the squelch. Last time when I used the external antenna, it had opened the squelch and full scale deflection was there. But this time I don't think it will occur, because nothing is seen so far. So already 4:37, meaning that it will be the time of the closest approach. Nothing is seen so far. Now I'll switch to the other antenna. When I was about to switch to the other antenna, there was a shot. Even with this very limited setup, a part of the image could be seen. That is because space station was probably transmitting at a very high power, unlike the usual 5 watts for the cross. I think that's the end of that particular transmission. Instead of usual 5 watt power for the crossband repeater, SSTV experiment is usually carried out with about 25 watts or even 50 watts. That's why even with the squelch closed, it was getting opened and the signal was being displayed on the signal meter. You would have noted that.